Taiwan is pioneering software-defined manufacturing. TSMC, Foxconn, Wistron, Pegatron, Delta Electronics, Quanta, Wiwynn, and GIGABYTE are developing digital twins on NVIDIA Omniverse for every step of the manufacturing process. TSMC with MetAI generate 3D layouts of an entire fab from 2D CAD and develop AI tools on Cuopt that can simulate and optimize intricate piping systems across multiple floors, saving months of time. Quanta, Wistron, and Pegatron plan new facilities and production lines virtually prior to physical construction, saving millions in costs by reducing downtime. Pegatron simulates solder paste dispensing, reducing production defects. Quanta uses Siemens Teamcenter X with Omniverse to analyze and plan multi-step processes. Foxconn, Wistron, and Quanta simulate power and cooling efficiency of test data centers with Cadence Reality Digital Twin. And to develop physical AI-enabled robots, each company uses its digital twin as a robot gym to develop, train, test, and simulate robots. Whether manipulators, AMRs, humanoids, or vision AI agents as they perform their tasks, or work together as a diverse fleet. And when connected to the physical twin with IoT, each digital twin becomes a real-time interactive dashboard. Pegatron uses NVIDIA Metropolis to build AI agents who help employees learn complex techniques. Taiwan is even bringing digital twins to its cities. LinkerVision and the city of Kaohsiung use a digital twin to simulate the effects of unpredictable scenarios and build agents that monitor city camera streams, delivering instant alerts to first responders. The age of industrial AI is here, pioneered by the technology leaders of Taiwan, powered by Omniverse.